Okay guys, make sure you stand till the end. If you make one common mistake, first you can damage your brake caliper, second you can actually crash your car after replacing the brakes. We'll explain why. Make sure you stand till the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super quick and helpful video to any of you having a BMW 5 Series generation F10 F11. If you want to see guys how to put the parking brake in service mode so you can replace rear brake pads on BMW F10 F11, we'll explain how to do that. Common mistakes people make, by the way guys, okay, when replacing brake pads. Stay with us, we'll talk about one mistake that can cause you to crash after replacing the brake pads or damaging your brake caliper as well. We'll talk about that, where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste money and time, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays, engine and transmission problems. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 14 to 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. Those are videos guys that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Please subscribe so we can keep making these free videos for you. So here guys, we'll be using X2. X2 is an amazing scanner. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from, but this thing is amazing. It can pay itself off in one-time use, okay, if you have a modern vehicle, and it works on almost any car. You can even fix Ferraris, Lamborghinis with it. We've used it on multiple cars. So we need to get the OBD connector here. We need to find the OBD port, which is right there. Okay. Right there, perfect, and it's in. Our voltage is a little bit low, so we'll see if it's gonna do it. You need to make sure that, okay, you have good voltage, otherwise it may not work. We're going to turn the ignition on. We press the button without pressing the brake pedal, and once we do that now guys, okay, let me go ahead and turn the fan off, everything here, perfect. Here what we need to do now guys, we're going to go ahead, okay, we're going to click special functions. We're going to go to electronic parking brake, Europe. It's going to initialize now. Please wait, communication is being established. You will see. Let me turn the lights off to make sure. Okay, everything's off. Not to drain more the battery. It's connecting, it's initializing now. Okay, this product is used to replace the brake pads and reset. Executing this procedure may cause the electronic parking brake forward light to turn on. Please follow the prompts carefully. Okay, ours says charge battery, so it kicked me out. We need to put the charger on it and we can continue. So we have the battery charger on. We're going to go ahead, okay, turn it on again. Let's see if we have enough power. We're going to select BMW here. We specifically have guys, okay, 5 Series BMW. And we're going to select, okay, ours is F10 F11. It's going to communicate now. And we're going to replace rear brake pads. Retract brake wheel cylinder mode, release brake wheel cylinder mode. Okay, you can use both. So what we're going to do, we're going to click retract, pull parking brake button and wait about 3 seconds, press OK. So we're going to pull it, 1, 2, 3, click OK. Press the brake pedal and press the parking brake button for 3 seconds. Press OK to continue. Brake pedal. Going to pull it. OK. Next, whether to release the 2 wheel cylinders of checking the parking brake, press OK. Parking brake release. Next operation will make the parking brake in the position of replacing the brake pads. Need about 5 seconds. Press OK. You can hear, guys. Okay. Now it's doing the parking brake. The parking brake wheel cylinder has retracted to position of installation, switch ignition off, and wait at least 30 seconds. The parking brake wheel cylinder has retracted. Please replace rear brake pads. After replacing, pulling the brake wheel cylinder back, press cancel to back to the menu of release brake wheel cylinder mode. Okay. So we turn the car off. Okay, we're done. And let's see if we are ready to continue. So after compressing the brake caliper or after replacing brake pads, before you even put the tire on, go ahead and pump the brake paddle at least 20-30 times. While one person is holding the brake paddle, inspect the brakes. Make sure you don't have any play. Hold the brake paddle. Okay, hold. Okay, we cannot turn the brakes. I release. It goes stop. Yep. To make sure you don't have play between the caliper and the brake pads, because that will cause the brakes not to work and you can crash your vehicle, or if somebody's around you can smash them, guys. So yeah, I would recommend to take it to a professional to do that job. Consider, guys, this video for entertaining purposes, not a how-to video, guys. So guys, we are ready to reset the parking brake now, to release the brake and relearn it. So we're going to start the ignition switch on. Okay, let me grab the key quick. So I grab the key, guys. Okay, ignition on, release brake, switch ignition on, press OK. Okay, the brake cylinder is going to release and reset. Okay, push the brake paddle and press the parking brake for 3 seconds. That's what we're doing now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, pull the parking brake button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now push the brake paddle, guys. Okay, and press the parking brake for 3 seconds again. Okay, and now the parking brake has released. After renewing the rear brake caliper actuator or brake pad, only repeatedly control parking brake can operate correctly. Check whether there is DTC or not. Garage mode activated. If there is, clear DTC and press to continue. If you want to read the DTC, okay, we're going to go ahead, click read DTC. See, garage mode activated. Clear DTC, yes. Now read, no trouble codes detected. We're ready to continue, guys, but our battery is about to die. Vehicle battery charge low, so make sure your battery is charged when you guys do that. So guys, now after you replace the brake pads, right, everything's put together, guys, what you need to do, get out of service mode, and guys, what you want to do, before you start the car, press that brake paddle at least 30 times, okay, test the parking brake as well, make sure everything works correctly, because if it doesn't, when you compress the brake caliper piston, if you want to see the video how to compress brake caliper piston on BMW F10 F11, we have the video on the channel. Common mistake people make, they don't know how to do it and they end up destroying the caliper. But when you put the new brake pads, you may have play between the brake pads and the caliper piston here. So you apply the brakes 20-30 times, test that the tire is stopping while the car is in the air, make sure everything's good before you start the car, to make sure the brakes perform correctly so you don't lose your brakes, guys. But that's how you put it in service mode. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.